Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 5th of March. So we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Right, so over here you're seeing the forward chart on the euro against the US dollar. What we're seeing is that price has broken below the bottom of the falling trend channel, and it has at the same time broken below the previous low back in 23rd January. So right now it is moving towards the Fibo expansion 141.4% level, and we are of course still expecting price to fall further. Zooming the 1 hourly chart. So what we can really do right here is to spot a retracement to be able to capture the trend. Now if not, we'll just have to wait for price to hit the first exhaustion level, the first support level at 1.105, and followed by the Fibo expansion 161.8%, the price of 1.0775, 1.0775. So that's for the euro against the US dollar. Of course, if not, we can wait for price to retrace all the way back to the bottom of the previous falling trend channel to see if there is an opportunity to go for a short. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So we have seen price actually appreciated and almost touches the resistance level at 0.7615, retracement level of 61.8%, at the same time Fibo expansion level of 161.8%. And we have seen the price is beginning to fall again, but of course at the same time price has yet to reach the top of the major falling trend channel. So we are seeing we're waiting for price to fall a little bit further till it touches the bottom of this minor rising trend channel we are seeing over here, and to see if there's a possibility that it might rebound and appreciate again till it really touches the top of the falling trend channel to for a short opportunity. All right, but however, if price were to break below, the next support level will be at 0.7447. All right, next we have the pound against the US dollar. So price has already broke below the bottom of a minor rising trend channel, and at the same time it has also broken below the 200 moving average, which does signals that price could have might be resuming the major trend, which is actually a falling trend for pound against the US dollar. So over here we are waiting for price to reach the next support level at 1.5210, and to see if there's a retracement for us to capture an opportunity to short. So that's pretty much straightforward for the pound against the US dollar. Next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. So these are body charts. We do see that there's a major falling trend channel, all right, and currently price is is moving sideways, at the same time being supported at the bottom of minor rising trend channel within the major falling trend channel itself. So zooming the 1 hourly charts, we are still expecting price may be appreciating a little bit further because it has yet to reach the top of the falling trend channel itself. So we might be able to expect a sudden movement of appreciation to the top of the falling trend channel at the same time where the 200 moving averages coincide together with, and then this will be the key level to go for a short opportunity, right? And of course, based on fundamental levels, we are still bearish on the Aussie. Right, so just have to wait to see what happens next, and of course if it breaks below, next support level will be at 0.7741. Alright, next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So price was little change. At the same time, it is kind of resisted at the resistance level of 119.83. So at the same time, price is trading within a rising trend channel, has already reached the top before but has yet to touch the bottom of the trend channel itself. So if price were to successfully got resisted again at this resistance level 119.83. That gives a possibility for price to depreciate further, um, and we'll wait for a long opportunity as it touches the bottom of the rising trend channel. Of course, right before that will be the 200 moving averages. All right, we do see that the 200 moving averages has been supporting the price as well. All right, so that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen. And next, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. In the 1 hourly chart, we are seeing that there is actually a rising trend channel. All right, happened to spot it as it almost hit the final the Fibonacci expansion 161.8% at the price of 0.9687. Almost touches it, but it got pulled back immediately, and this is how we spotted a rising trend over here. So we could be expecting the price might begin to fall or retrace at this moment. So just waiting the price to depreciate and retrace. All right. Next, we'd like to touch on other currency pair. First, we have the Aussie against the Japanese yen. Just to quickly run through on the bigger time frame itself, the weekly charts. There was a rising trend channel. Price has already touched the bottom, got pulled back, and it begins to appreciate. And in the 4-hourly chart itself, we also see that there is a falling trend channel within the major rising trend channel in the weekly charts. So currently we are seeing the price has already slowly broken out of the top of the minor falling trend channel with a rising trend line that's supporting the price moving outwards. So zooming the 1 hourly chart, we are waiting for price to probably come back again to the to this trend line itself, and as it got supported, that will give an opportunity to go for a long. All right, and finally we have the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. Price has finally reached a all-time low based on the monthly charts, right? And the previous low back in 1997, 1st of June, or rather somewhere in the June of 1997, and the moment it touches that level, zooming the 4-hourly chart, we are seeing the price has already begun to rebound. So this could possibly be a position trade which can probably hold for weeks or months. If you are looking at holding on to a position trade, this could be the opportunity. Of course, right now we are, if you were to enter the price right here, you'll be expecting to risk at least more than 100 pips. But of course, on the upside, we are really looking at a few hundred all the way to 1,000 pips from the bottom, from the historical low itself. All right, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again.